This must be a trial. They're very slow growing, these eucalypts. Down here the forestries do such a good job of rehabilitating the land after harvesting the trees that after 50 years of regrowth they call them old growth forests. As far as I can tell, there's west out there. This is one of the eagle hawk lookouts. The rain's finally stopped for a while. I've driven up a bit further from that lookout to the main lookout. I'm going to go for a wander down the path here and check it out. Just a few more stairs. I made it to the top of the lookout, and it's a splendid sight up here. Out there you're looking at Eagle Hawk Neck. Around to the left is where you cross the causeway. Down here is where I was yesterday. There's Blowholes Road to traffic driving down. The little village in the foreground is Penzance, and in the distance above it is Dewtown. And that's the rugged coast that I walked around yesterday. Nice little anchorage there. Dewtown. Not sure what that rock is out there in the distance. Looks like there's two rocks out there. The view, is that nice? I'm going to go back to the ute, make myself a sandwich and come down here and drink it all in for a while. Saw a little bit of a track leading off the lookout. Come to these two little markers. What a great place to be interred. Just going to check this out. Leaves, dead leaves on the ground are very colourful in here. Bit fresh in here. Old bridge has seen the better days. It's a bit of a boardwalk. Oh, look at those ferns. Unbelievable. Size of this fella. Gives you some idea. There's the keys of the car in the centre of the picture. Get around the other side and it's all rotting away. One here is twice as big as the last one. Must be 10 foot across the bottom. Big log on the ground here. Everything's that wet, it's got moss and lichens growing over everything. Overgrown here. At least the bridge is still in one piece. So, man fern. Heaps of them through here. Here, bones laying around of some little animal, by the looks of it. And here's the head. Found myself a camping spot for the night. Decided to pull up early and try and dry some stuff off after yesterday's effort. Gone for a walk down a track nearby, and through the trees you can see the ocean. Beautiful colours on these trees as the bark strips off. The sun's about to set over Pirates Bay. There you go, Claude the Crow. Bit of a red sunset tonight, so hopefully tomorrow's going to be a beautiful day in paradise. Amazing what you can do with a tarp. Keep the moisture off you. It's going to be cold tonight. A bit of cloud cover around, but I think tomorrow's going to be a nice day after that red sunset.